Another monocular cue that we rely on in order to perceive depth is going to be relative size. So relative height is where you compare the height something is on your retina in order to ascertain which one's closer, which one's farther away. Relative size is where we still use the amount of we still use a comparison between objects on our retina, but now we're looking at how much space does something occupy on your retinal field as opposed to the height it starts at. Now, both relative size as well as relative height, as well as all of these other cues are going to work together. So it's really difficult to divorce one from the other. But with relative size, we're just specifically talking about how much space does an object take up on your retinal field. The more space it occupies, usually the closer it is to you. So if we were to look out at the classroom, I think right now, hopefully, you'll be able to see a little tin bucket here, as well as a tin bucket back here. Now, you can also see that I am a certain size on your retina, looking all the way back here, and I'm a different size on your retina as I walk towards the screen. What you can notice is that the buckets take up more space when they're closer to the screen, and they take up less space when they're farther away. Same with me. If we use another example, you can see kind of above me different ceiling tiles as well as the lights. The lights are a lot larger when they are closer to me, and they're a lot smaller as we get farther back towards towards the back of the classroom. So relative size is just comparing these different sizes, understanding that objects usually take up a certain amount of space in the world, and then if they're taking up a smaller amount of space on your eye, on your retina, that means they're probably farther away from us.